Sorry. As we go to break tonight, we asked you to send pictures and videos of you enjoying the snow, and you've responded, including dogs enjoying the snow too. Keep them coming. Text them to us at 901-321-7520. We'd love to give you a shout out on one of our newscasts. And of course, we're posting all of these pictures online. Danielle, we're getting quite a selection there.
We are. People have definitely been responding to our call outs for the pictures, and keep them coming. We love to see it, but make sure you're warm while you do it because our temperatures are continuing to fall. I have all the details on your 7-day forecast coming up after the break.